Okay, so here in Podio, a couple things you want to do. So you're in seller leads. First, this little thing, you want to follow this app. That way, when your team puts in comments and updates the leads, you get an email notification. This is very important. Your acquisitions manager, all of the people need to be notified of this stuff. Okay. So now seller leads, okay, so you go to this little wrench right here. This is how the web form. This is how they enter the leads. So here's a little shareable link right there. You can give it to them, and you can edit this stuff. So that's probably best for another call to go over editing. But you can go to modify template, and you can change kind of like the stages. You can add different categories. Sort. Change the order, change different fields. I've added different notes fields and stuff like that. Next steps, stuff like that weren't originally in there, but we can go over that more on a different one. But yeah, I mean, you open up a lead, and that's probably not a good. Let me try a different one here that has more information. Right here. See how I have this summary information right here, lowest asking price. It's got contact info, the address, how many bedrooms, bedrooms, baths, square footage, year built. And I can click right on Zillow. I'm not sure if you might have to copy and paste to find stuff on Zillow, but I go through and I put in my MAO. I just type in, MAO, X amount or whatever. I'll put in more information. We put all kinds of comments. See, there's all kind of comments in here. I had my guy Angel going out to check this property out. I ran comps, 200K easy. All this stuff. And then I'll put in next steps. I'll just say offer based on MAO, and then they'll go from there. Pretty simple as that. Now, one of the important things when the texter enters a lead, they have to go on WhatsApp and notify the lead intake person. Right now, your lead intake person is probably going to be your acquisitions manager, but they've got to get a hold of them right away. That's while that seller is available. That's the best way to get the information and to start building rapport and go through the 6 steps of the perfect seller blueprint. So hopefully this helps.